My name is Bostjan. I'm a software engineering manager and a consultant at Marant. We are a software development and IT professional services company based in Slovenia, in Ljubljana. I decided to take IBM's Data Science Professional Certificate program on Coursera because at Marant, where I work, we've been developing large enterprise IT systems for 20 years. And those systems store large amounts of data. And we were wondering whether we could extract some useful business information that could benefit our clients. I like how the whole program is structured and organized because it really takes you from A to B. The labs and the practical exercises were my favorite part of the IBM's Data Science Professional Certificate program. I really like the hands-on approach, and I like that they were challenging enough that they made me go this extra mile that is really worth going, because this is how I learn most. I would recommend IBM's Data Science Professional Certificate program on Coursera to both students who would like to stand out and make themselves more competitive on the job market, but also to experienced IT professionals. I would like to thank IBM and Coursera for offering this program because it really helped me in my career.